Be honest, did that just make you yawn? Got you. Yawning is crazily contagious. Even by discussing about it can trigger one. You have to blame here your brain's mirror neurons. These little copycats will help you to feel what others feel, whether it is your boss, your bestie, or even pet. It's like your brain saying, same here, buddy. So here is a secret. If you wanna know who's observing you when you're sitting in a group of people, just yawn. So if you're yawning right now, either you're tired or a human or ridiculously empathetic. Mirror neurons. Spreading yawns, sinking vibes. Take care, stay curious.